Opeso ye we asia. And yes, sir, okoye 8 hours, if now coffee, no akoda, no anomai. Look, the normal hours will be 8. If you want to succeed in life, you have to do extra hours than that. Maybe Sababa. You see, no mono achewa America. Intino, na DJ, you know, watch me, na me a DJ. Ko baba na me free no. I can spin well. Oh, I said this time and now Barnum tears it on this
turntable no chicha. You know what's up, man?
Baba you know, or no air cospinia, now I take you over on a shift. Into Monday, me 8 hours. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 8 hours. Friday, 8 hours. No man 40 hours. Saturday, me 24 hours. Sunday, my 24 hours. Inti a honu momo enya me permanent, you know, between me 88 hours a week. The permanent job no ye Zaro Bakery. Awmo a year bakery. Zaro no ye popular bakery a year. Ye will plant ho. Ti ye trunk brodo no sa na ye de shisha racks na truck abefako. Odi ase. Ti through that extra a year me year ya na me siska. Minya 3,000 and I'm control car. To taxi back. Baba na chere me how to drive. Me call America. Na me nim driving. Baba na chere me. But me to taxi no. Within 7 months, na me taxi here 80. If say every month be me treat taxi $3,000 and I me call auctioner. Na me control car maybe 1,000, 2,005. Chevy Caprice or Chevy Impala. Na me be trim partition. Me ya na me ama Ghana ni $40 a day. Inti 7 months no. Na me timinya $280 a day from 7 taxis. Me ankasa me dey American every day. Ochumu time me see $100. The weekends no a adwuma wom no. Friday night, Saturday you make over 100, maybe 150, 160. Inti 50 ni 60 na eguso for the weekend no. Eno and I'm the me rent and me do so so I sacrifice a lot. And I'm a mini say me yi. It me one day me adwuma Christmas 24th night any 31st days be a America taxi unyeska ankasa the 24th night me adwuma sa me $560 me straight 24 hours but the last hour no me drew Boston Road and 168 enna Senegal ni be a mistake obi fan black guy be fan akwani see o dwane enna oye mistake e see for me chasing na dem per manimpe
itio
yeah to kun me na frɛ me di me phone frɛ we no e frɛ be base na base no frɛ police say nipa ntia wa me ho po ya na and me say yeah, $560 a day is good money and I'm there me ko park me car ti my first house East Legon Ambassadorial Enclave
SOMPA 93.1
me tree taxi and I'm the better if you know
SOMPA FM
and Mr. Father because Mr. Father or also so yani one sieska or pension Jubilee House baby a French embassy no a ho soldier for na net you know a ho na Mr. Father the last place or the call pension the one day Azuma Nelson on the ball boxing on the boss your friend Asa Mr. Asa
SOMPA 93.1
and inya phone call say your two Mr. Father and me mommy ya pack you me go up on the veranda so
SOMPA
because
FM
na new W Oba is coming to take over. Once you have your pension, kwa won't go ni baby. Timothy and Anna, fortunately, a brony be no free dumosia. a friend Fred Mensah. So no liquor shop yeah baby a tons hard in San Warding America for friend liquor shop and me call ho the one I'm called to Azuma Nelson ne the manager Mr. Asa na me come asem chire no to ohwe me age no ni scanner me board that time no say me was $16,000 me pese me talk a diamond man but me obi a me de be so na my year me calculations he was impressed with me no ogis kanu no kurani odi no kranso okwa odi mi maame anim ekohwehwe dan ni bi na $24,000 till April 17th the year 1986 I'm talking first house $24,000 Eddie ma ame maame so ehon na ebie sam here baby a police station so wura under bridge
yeah
na o turn right so ba police station baby executive club
yeah
street near that left and sana police station aba if you ekopim end of the street me na me street light eje ensuo eko because now a bush that lane is me two houses ne o because still am mama ni me papa tio two na Dr. Preku and so tio baba na jail light eji ensuo a course our line is we na ti life has not been easy what do you say obi o wa also me pese me ye kan Agyapong ko bokro no enye fast life I have built my capital over the years and businessmen coming to why businessmen if he say metimi aye adwuma no and I'm part of them and I know the problems that they are going through in fact now my yesa men kan we but odia bay ma men kan o man bia ni manfo any do any tema enya proud say omu free sa kru no o man no enye yie look when we are talking to an American even Ghana near wakoye American citizen is so proud to hold American passport Ghana monhwade bogus decisions and I wonder those who sit there and take such decisions say a whole Ghana passport musi yekoto abaye me emfa Ghana passport nto we've lost our identity to national identification what
so you are against this
I am
Ghana
against
card
it. I am against it. I am against it. Say a whole nationality. A dear Netimima me who said me a Ghana ni. I am a passport. Now we are saying say we will not even be allowed to use our passport because certain number of people Ghanaians are holding it. The same applies to national identification. A lot of people are holding it. Ghana for. What do you say? So Ghana first means we have to be proud. Say you're Ghanaians. So we are proud of Ghana. Umebo Ghana krono. Ube you yem ayejuma. And what I stand for, because Ghana first now will work. P, patriotism. H, honesty. And D, discipline.
so that's the PhD
Yes, if you love Ghana, and we be Ghana first, this three is enshrined here. Your fourth one, but I know the beba, from pragmatism. But now all the kamwa and money yet till my short term PhD. Ghana first because Uko Germans they are proud to be Germans. Holland for are proud. Italians here proud. Even Africa here, Nigerians and South Africans, they believe in themselves. What about Ghana? Enam ejuma endiha. Enam atete te sɛ nea GR for the yɛ minti Ghana ni na mo mpɛ sɛ ɔbɛka sɛ ɔyɛ Ghana ni because I'm frustrated. So we should prioritize say a country no yɛni baabi akɔ. Some people have sacrificed their lives in America to make America a better place for yɛne ane yɛte saa dan yɛ a wohwɛ yi nyame yɛ yɛadom kɔduru America ɛnɛ yɛbɛyɛ ɔdefo. Why can't we do same for our young men and women that are coming? ɛno nti ne m'ani abere no because why I believe in the youth ɔbanyini whoever thought say akwalaa na odware abɔnten ɛte saa fie wɔ mu ɛnɛ meba hwɛ nipa dodo a atwa abɔnten hɔ ɛtwɛn kai hu sɛ any child or youth given opportunity will probably do better than nneɛma yɛ
opportunity